Hello students, today we will see Web Analytics, chapter number 1st, Introduction to Web Analytics. Then, what is meant by Web Analytics? Web Analytics is the measurement, collection, analysis and reporting of web data for the purposes of understanding and optimizing web usages. The web analytics is not a just process for measuring web traffic but can also be used as a tools for business and market research and to assess and improvement the effectiveness of the website. The web analytics applications can also help companies measure the result of traditional print or broadcast advertising campaigns, and it can be used to estimate how traffic to a website changes after the launch of new advertising campaigns. And the web analytics provide informations about the number of visitors to a website and the number of pages views. Then it also help to gauge the traffic and popularity trends, which is used for market research. Then what is meant by web analytics? Definitions. First term is web analytics, the method to plan ahead and follow up on how a website is performing, and it may be of technical nature, but usually it is about the measurable factors of achievements. This is the web analytics. Then second term is website statistics, gathering of information about what user do on the websites. That means actual works on the website. Common tools for website statistics is Google Analytics, Adobe Analytics and Pivot, and the open sources options. Then visit. When a user visits the site, a visitor can make several visits and generate several page views. Then visitors, unique visitors to the extent it's possible to track individuals. Then page view, impressions of a page or a website. The number of times a page is displayed during a visit. Then page views or visit, average number of pages view during a visit, and the user sessions on the website. Then bounce rate refers to the percentage of visits with only one page view and then the visitor leaves the site. Then new visitors, indications of how many people of visitors who have not previously visited the website. Then direct traffic, the visitors who type the address directly in the browser and entering via a bookmark or similar. Then a referring site, new website that link to your website. Then inbound link, a specific link on another website that points to a page on your website. Then organic search traffic, the visitors you attract thanks to the presence on search engines. Does not apply to bound traffic on search engines such as through advertisements. Then page load times, the time in second it takes for a visitors to download all the material needed for a single page views. Then click through rate CTR, what percentage of user choose to click on a link or a button they have on the display. Then web performance optimization WPO, the ambition to make a website perceived as fast by its users. These are the terms related to the web analytics. Then what is web analytics? Web analytics is the methodological study of online or offline patterns or trends. It is a technique that you can employ to collect, measure, report and analyze your website data. It is normally carried out to analyze the performance of website and optimize its web usages. This is called as the web analytics, or this is the definition of web analytics. Then we use web analytics to track key metrics and analyze visitors activity, traffic flow. It is a tactical approach to collect data and generate reports. Then web analytics having some importance. Then importance of web analytics. We need web analytics to assess the success rate of website and its associated business. Using web analytics, we can assess web content problem so that they can be rectified. Then second importance is have a clear perspective of website trends. Then third is monitor web traffic and user flow. The next is demonstrate goals acquisition, figure out potential keywords, identify segments for improvement, and last is find out referring sources. These are the importance of web analytics. Then web analytics process. The primary objective of carrying out web analytics is to optimize the website in order to provide better users experience. It provides a data-driven report to measure visitors' flow throughout the website. Take a look at the following illustrations. It depicts the process of web analytics. First, set the business goals, then to track the goal achievement and set the key performance indicator, that means KPI. Then collect correct and suitable data to extract insight, then analyze the data. Then based on assumptions, learn from the data analysis, that is test alternatives. Then based on either data analysis or website testing and implements insight. These are the processes of web analytics. Define goals, then second is build KPIs, then third is collect data, then fourth is analyze data, then test alternative, and last is implementations. The web analytics is an ongoing process that helps in attracting more traffic to a site and thereby increasing the return on investment. Then types of web analytics. There are two types of web analytics. First is on-site web analytics and second is off-site web analytics. Then first is on-site web analytics. It measures the user's behavior once it is on the website. For example, measurement of your website performance. Then second is off-site. It is the measurement and analysis irrespective of whether you own or maintain a website. For example, measurement of visibility, comments, potential audience, etc. Then metrics of web analytics. There are three basic metrics of web analytics. First is count. It is the most basic metric of measurements, that means count, and it is represented as whole number or whole numbers, that means starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, then or a fraction. For example, number of visitors is equal to 12,999, for example. Then number of likes, suppose 3060, etc. Then total sale of merchandise, then $54396.18. Then these are the first metrics of web analytics, count. Then second is ratio. It is typically a count divided by some other count. For example, page views per visit. And third is key performance indicator, that means KPI. It depends upon the business type and strategy. KPI varies from one business to another.